Good morning, parents. Al-Wakra. My name's Dave Walton. I'm the head of secondary here at DBS Wakra. I thought I'd spend a little bit of time this morning putting together a video to help parents support their children while they're learning at home, whether it be that they're not back into school yet, or whether it's just to support them, give some additional support when they're completing their online days, when they're not physically in school. Obviously, at the minute, the children are in either 2 days in 1 week and 3 days in the other week, or vice versa. But when they're not in school, students have been set work via their Google Classroom platform, where their teachers have pre-recorded lessons and then sent additional work within the classroom. When the students are in school, for those people who aren't in yet, when the students are in school, your teachers are live Zooming lessons as they happen. So for example, as I'm speaking now, we have Year 7s in this morning. Year 7 students who are physically in the lesson are obviously getting the content. For anybody who's in Year 7 who's not in school this morning, that lesson is happening live now on Zoom. Okay, everybody's been sent out the Zoom codes for their individual teachers and their Google Classroom codes. And this video hopefully is to help parents manage which one's which and when to use them. So if I start by sharing my screen, if you bear with me a second. When the children log on to their Gmail account, here we go, they'll see this screen here. So in the top right-hand corner is 9 little dots. If they click on the one that says Classroom, that will take them to their Google Classroom. Okay, so they're logging into the Gmail account as normal using their school email account, and they will see the 9 little dots in the corner. They click on them, and them 9 little dots are always there when you're navigating around the Google apps. Okay, so whether you want Google Drive or Google Mail, just your normal account settings, they're all within this function here called Google Apps. When they click on their classrooms, they will see their teachers have already invited them into the Google Classroom. If their teacher hasn't invited them, it might be that you're a new student to the school, please get in touch and I will send you the individual codes for each individual teacher. If you wanted to add a class, let's just say I'm a new student and I wanted to join a class, I will click on this plus button here, which says join a class, and I will input the class code. Okay, so I am a Year 8 student today. Year 8 students aren't in school. Year 7s are in today. So all of my work will be provided for me in the Google Classroom. So as a Year 8 student, even if I haven't managed to get myself out of bed on time this morning, that's okay. The lessons aren't happening live. But we ask that you complete all of the work that you would have completed on that day in relation to your timetable. So it might be that period 1, I have maths. At some point on the day that I would have maths, I need to do the maths work. So let's just say I'm in 8B and I've got Mr. Maguire. I will click on the classroom, and all the different classrooms look pretty much the same in terms of the way that the teachers are setting out their work. As you can see, at 8:24 this morning, Mr. Maguire posted this for the Year 8 students that you would have seen today. There is a video, or 2 videos, that go through what Mr. Maguire wants them to do. One of them he's recorded himself using his board, and the other one is an additional YouTube clip which is aimed to extra support the students. And then underneath, Mr. Maguire has posted the work for the students to complete in that hour. The work, I'm saying within that hour, the classroom lessons here are 50 minutes to an hour long. The work that will be provided for the students on the Google Classroom should take the students around 20 minutes to complete. Okay, so there'll be, for each bit of work that's been uploaded, there will be a short video explaining the work from the teacher, and then about 20 minutes of work to complete for that lesson. I'm the Year 8 student. I have finished my maths work. I can see here which students have, as a teacher, I can see who's handed in their work. Okay, so well done to these students here. I've already handed in their work from this morning, 3 out of 13, which is good. Obviously, they've got the rest of the day to complete that work. And if I want any further instructions, I can click on the instructions and it will take me to the links to the videos and then some additional information within the title here that Mr. Maguire's provided. If you've got any questions regarding that work, Mr. Maguire is in school all day, as are all the teachers. So you can email them asking them for extra support. If you click on the class comments here, you can add a comment, and then Mr. Maguire at some point today will get back to you when he's not teaching to support you. Parents, you can also request to join the Google Classrooms as a parent. The students won't know that you're there. You'll only appear under the people section of the teachers list. So the students won't be able to see that you as a parent are in the Google Classroom. So you can see the work that's coming in, and you can then help and support the students with their workload. Okay, I've just finished my maths lesson. I've completed the work. I've submitted it to Mr. Maguire. I then have PE. I click on the Google Classroom for PE, and Mr. Alexandridis has posted a new challenge for this week of Beat the Teacher. Okay, 2 people have handed it in so far. Again, the teacher will see this. The students won't see this face. They will be taken straight to the instructions. Mr. Alexandridis has posted a video of a Beat the Teacher challenge with an explanation of what to do, and then students are asked to upload their videos for their PE lesson on that day. Okay. Okay. If I want to go back to my home screen, I click on the left-hand side here, and I just click on classes, and it will take me back to the interface where all of the students are. Okay. I hope this has been helpful and beneficial to you. Like I say, when the students are not meant to be in school, so for example, only year 7s are in the secondary today, year 8s, 9s and 10s will be expected to complete their work on Google Classroom, like I've just shown you, and work will be provided by all of the teachers for the subjects that they would have had that day. The live Zooms are only available for the students who are not in school for when they should be in school. So for example, if there's any year 7s this morning that aren't in school when the rest of year 7 are in, your teachers are live Zooming those lessons. And if I stop this share, okay, hopefully that's been helpful to some parents. If you've got any questions, please get in touch. My email address is david.walton@dbswakra.com. Hopefully see you soon.